Hi, welcome back to the Pixi Design channel. Today we are going to be making a card using brand new products from the latest release. We're using the Wizarding World stamp set, or Wizard World stamp set, the Wizard World pattern paper, and the Peekaboo tag C dies. Okay, I have all the pieces that I need for my card and project today pre-cut using what I showed you a little bit ago. So I have all, this is for the inside of my card. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do black glitter or silver for the little peekaboo tag topper. So I cut one of each. I've got both pieces for the peekaboo tag. I've got the inside piece for the peekaboo tag right there. It's nice and stitched. And then I have pre-cut my pattern paper along with my mats. I've cut them 1/8 of an inch larger than my pattern papers. So it's 4 by 5 1/4. So the mat is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. This mat, which I cut the little piece from, pattern paper is 2 by 5 1/4, and this is 2 1/8 by 5 3/8. We've got our standard A2 card base. And I've already stamped out my little wizard. And I'm going to color him up with some Spectral Noir Tri-Blend markers. Alright, I'm going to fussy cut this out, so I will be right back. Alright, I've got our little Harry cut out. So we're going to start assembling our card and putting in our sentiments and get everything set up. Alright, so for our card base, let's go ahead and stamp the inside first. Alright, I'm just going to pick a red ink from my stash. Make your own. Doesn't really match my outside pieces, but I didn't have a red ink dark enough. So I just picked a red ink to go along with Gryffindor. And I'm just going to stamp those down. I am going to end up stamping those twice because I had a couple little spots on the eyes that I didn't get stamped very well. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp that up again and stamp that down. That's where the perfect joy of a stamp positioning tool comes in handy. So we're going to stamp that down, and here is, give it a little bit of pressure, and there are images. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pop my little piece of white in there, because I need to stamp the sentiment on here. So I want to make sure I have enough room. I'm going to stamp "Have a Magical Day." There's our pieces. Now we're going to start assembling our card. I'll recrease my score lines here. That way I'm going to take this little piece of pattern paper. I'm going to add it to the inside. Up at the top. I'm going to take this pattern. We're going to add this to that piece of glitter paper. Add that to our card base. Making sure we have a nice even border. We're going to add our second piece of pattern paper. Our nice 1/8 of an inch margin. Add that as we drop it everywhere. All right, let's put together our tag. So we're going to add that right in the center. It should line up nice and evenly. Add our little tag part here. We're going to go right around the edge of the tag, around the edge of the loop right there. Just going to line everything up. Press it into place. Add this to my card. Just kind of offset just a little bit. Add our little topper. You can open up, have a magical day, and then we will add our little Harry. I'm going to pop him up with some foam dimension. Message right there that's hidden. Our little Harry. And then we open it up and we have our make your own magic. Have a magical day. If you've not caught the release yet from pixidustdesigns, there's some super cute items in it this time. A lot of Harry Potter themed stuff. There's lots of cute dies. There's a gorgeous gift box size that is just fabulous. I hope y'all check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, stay crafty.